Everybody, and welcome to the demo of QuoteCraft. I'm going to try to make this brief so I don't take up too much of anyone's time. But anyway, over here on the left, you can read what these are. This is how to contact us, thank you pages that you can create, different tools that we have in here, your asset library where your own stuff is saved to, your quotes where you can save your own quotes, settings for connection to your stores. That's what all this stuff over here is for. Alright, everything else is over here on the main screen. So you just basically come here, you pick your niche. I'm gonna go with something silly. I'll go with, say, we'll say 18 and over, and we'll say motivational. And those are the only two you have to select. After that, you can go ahead and generate your quote. These are optional. I'll just leave them where they are. You can go ahead and generate your quote there. But you can also change this here lengthwise here, 16, 11 through 15. You can do all that right here. For target audience, you can add that as well. Keywords, you can add that as well. You can put words that you want to avoid, add that as well. There you go, it just made your little emoji here. So if you don't want the emojis, you come down here to the settings and you basically just say I don't want auto emojis, you turn them off. Okay, so go back to our quote. There's our quote right there. Life's messy, embrace the chaos, and find joy in the unexpected spills. Alright, cool. It's nice. Alright, so it can go on anything really. I mean, it's unisex. So I'm just going to start creating products. So there's one right there. Might as well start with the unisex cotton crew tee, right? Alright, boom, it's created. So if we want to stay in this particular unisex so it fits any body, we'll just kind of go like that and just put those 3 search letters so it'll keep us in this here unisex column here. So we can say long shirt tee, and you don't really have to wait for the image to load. That's just something that's happening in the back end. You can just go ahead and create. You already know it's here. And then boom, it's created. Your all-in-one solution for print on demand. You can change it up to jersey tee. These will load in time. My computer's running a little slow right now. I got a lot of stuff running in the background. It won't happen to you on your computer. But yeah, once that's done, you just basically hit print, make product, and it's published successfully to your store. Something else you're looking for in the unisex crew neck sweatshirt. Sure, it'll go well on that. Boom. It's published. And you can sit here all day, more or less, and create as many products as you want. I'm not sure under Uni why it's not showing the image here, but as you can see, you know it's a jersey tee. It's created. I'm gonna take this out of here. And now I just did probably about, what was that, 5 products. We'll do classic tee. And yeah, we'll create that product too. We want something else besides the classic tee. We can say color blast crew neck. It works, right? Our design on that. Bang. Just like that. Quick and easy. So you see that just came up and said populated. Alright. Come down here and put this on anything we want, any product. Put on that. But the cool thing is you can customize this. So say you could also add your own listings here as well. Boom. Okay, you could also add templates. These are all different templates that you can choose from. Just click apply, luxury template has been added, and it just kind of shows you a new little look on your quote, right? But you can modify that as much as you want. You can turn your emojis back on. If you click here, it snaps them back in place, and it kind of ties the emoji to what your quote is. If you watch, you know, it's actually thinking, you know, about what's there, which I think is really neat. And you can also come down and change your coloring, your gradient for your text. You can even change your font size, but it does a little bit of adjusting depending on the size of your quote. You can also change the case. So if I want all upper, lower, or proper case, I like proper case, especially for quotes, but that's just my opinion. Your backgrounds. So I grabbed the template for the background here, so it put a background in on its own, right? But if you have your own background, you can have AI create it for you. You can upload your own, or you can choose one of these here colors here. It's all to you. If you have particular words that you want to change the color on particular words in your quote, you use this here, you type your word here, you choose the color that you want that word to be, per se. Alright? And that's the main thing. You know, you come here, you want to make something else, you make something else. And that's the gist of it. In a matter of under 7 minutes, I have, I believe, created between 8 and 10 products. So what happens is it goes to Printify. Printify automatically publishes to Etsy for you. So if I go back to my Etsy shop and I go to my listings, you see all of that stuff is already starting to land on Etsy. Like all this stuff we just created just now. So that's how fast it works. That's how cool it is. Check it out. The price is great right now. That you can get it for free. So check it out. It's better to try it out than not try it out. So that's Charlie signing off. I hope you like the demo and hope to see you on the inside. Thank you. Bye.
Click, no more tedious upload, a future for your business, a lighter, brighter load, generic description, get the social media posts for the entrepreneurial spirit that matters most.